Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start the last lesson of mathematics statistics. Okay, so generally statistics deals with the data, operations on data, finding the average, mean, mode, median, the average, their frequency distribution table, that all comes under statistics. Means we have to operate on data or the different values will be given to us and we have to operate on that. We have to find out their average, their frequency distribution table, mean, mode, median, that all comes in statistics. Okay, first of all we will learn about average. It is also called as mean. Okay, so how to calculate the average value? Suppose table is given, we see that a girl, Asmita, took to cycle to school every morning from Monday to Saturday. Okay, a girl is here, Asmita. She took cycle to school. She goes to school from cycle and his average time is given. On Monday she takes 20 minutes. Tuesday she takes 20 minutes. Wednesday she takes 22. Thursday she takes 18 minutes to go to school. Friday she takes 18 minutes and Saturday she takes 20 minutes. So we have to find out what is the average speed of Asmita. अस्मिता की एवरेज स्पीड क्या है हमको निकालना है. तो एवरेज हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं? वी विल सिंपली ऐड all the values and we will divide it by total number of values. Sum of all the values divided by total number of values. So sum of all the values means 20 plus 20 plus 22 plus 18 plus 18 plus 20 divided by total number of values. What are the total number of values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is sum of all the values divided by total number of values is 6. 118 by 6, that is 19 into 2 by 3. So on an average Asmita takes 19 2 by 3 minutes to cycle to school every day. In this way we will calculate the average. Means we will simply add all the values and divide it by total number of values. Let's take another example. A school conducted a survey to find out how far their students live from the school. Given below is the distance of the houses of 6 students from the school. Let's find the average distance from the school. एक स्कूल का सर्वे किया गया और उसमें ये फाइंड आउट किया गया कि बच्चे स्कूल से कितने डिस्टेंस पे रहते हैं, उनके घर कितने डिस्टेंस पे है. तो 6 स्टूडेंट्स का डेटा गिवन है, यहाँ पे 6 स्टूडेंट्स का डेटा गिवन है एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एवरेज. 950 मीटर, 800 मीटर, 700 मीटर, 1.5 kilometer means 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. So 1.5 kilometer means 1500 meter. 1 kilometer means 1000 meter, 715 meter. So for finding out the average, we will simply add all these values divided by total number of values. Means sum of the distance between the home and the school for 6 students divided by total number of students. That is, we will simply add all the values divided by total number of values. Simply add means 950 plus 800 plus 700 plus 1500 plus 1000 plus 750 divided by total number of values is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 6. That is 5700 by 6. That will be equal to 950 meter. Okay, so average distance of a student from the school is 950 meter. Okay, so here in this two example we can see that the formula of average will be the sum of all the scores in a given data divided by total number of values, total number of scores. Here the data or the values, we can also call it the values or we can also call as a score. Means if 6 data are given, so 6 values are given, we can also call it the values or we can also call it the scores. So the formula for the average will be sum of all the values in a given data divided by total number of values, or sum of all the scores in a given data divided by total number of scores. Let's see the exercise 54. The daily rainfall for each day of a week in a certain city is given in millimeters. Find the average rainfall during the week. होल वीक का हमको रेनफॉल गिवन है मिलीमीटर में. डेली रेनफॉल गिवन है. सपोज मंडे को 9 मिलीमीटर बारिश हुई, ट्यूसडे को 11 मिलीमीटर, वेडनेसडे को 8 millimeter, and so on. So we have to find out the average rainfall during the week. So how will we calculate the average rainfall? We will simply add all these scores. These are called as scores or the values. We will simply add all these values, 9 plus 11 plus 8 plus 20 plus 10 plus 16 plus 12, and we will divide it by total number of values, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is, we will simply add this and divide it by the total number of values, that is 7. See, average rainfall will be 9 plus 8 plus 11 plus 20 plus 10 plus 16 plus 12 divided by 7, that is 86 by 7, that is 12.2857, and that is nearly equal to 12.29 millimeter. So the average rainfall of that particular week is 12.29 millimeter. Next question is, during the annual function of a school, a women's self-help group had set up snacks stall. Their sales every hour were 960 rupees, 830 rupees, 945 rupees, 800 rupees, 847 rupees, 970 rupees respectively. What was the average of the hourly sales? Okay, एनुअल फंक्शन में एक स्टॉल लगाया गया, स्नैक स्टॉल. उनका आर्ली सेल गिवन है यहाँ पे, आर्ली सेल. फर्स्ट आवर में 960 रुपीज़ सेल हुआ, देन नेक्स्ट आवर में 830 रुपीज़ सेल हुआ, देन नेक्स्ट आवर में 945 सेल हुआ. तो एवरेज सेल पर आवर कितना हुआ ये हमको कैलकुलेट करना है. सो एवरेज सेल विल बी, वी विल सिंपली ऐड ऑल दिस वैल्यू डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज. सी दिस सॉल्यूशन. एवरेज आवर्ली सेल, दैट इज sum of all the values divided by total number of values is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is 6. So 5352 divided by 6, that is 892 rupees. Therefore the average hourly sale of the snack stall is 892 rupees. Next question is, annual rainfall in Vidarbha in 5 years is given below. What is the average rainfall for these 5 years? 5 साल का रेनफॉल गिवन है पर ईयर का, एनुअल रेनफॉल पर ईयर फॉर 5 ईयर्स का गिवन है. हमें इसका एवरेज फाइंड आउट करना है. तो कैसे करेंगे? वी विल सिंपली ऐड ऑल दीज वैल्यूज एंड डिवाइड इट बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज. ओके, सो ट्राई इट एट योर होम. इट इज़ अ होमवर्क फॉर यू. A farmer bought some snacks of animal feed. Some sacks of animal feed. Weights of the sacks are given below in kilograms. What's the average weight of the sacks? There is a farmer who bought some sacks. Sacks means पोते, कुछ अनाज के पोते उसने एनिमल फीड के लिए खरीदा. उनका एवरेज वेट गिवन है. एवरेज वेट ऑफ द सैक्स इज गिवन 49.8, 49.7, 49.5 and so on. We have to calculate the average. So how will we calculate the average? We will simply add all these values and divide by total number of values. Okay, so try it at your home by using the formula of average, that is sum of all the values divided by total number of values. Okay.